How to tell if someone blocked you on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to tell if someone blocked you on Discord. So let's begin. Just a disclaimer, Discord doesn't have an option or message in which it states that someone blocked you. However, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So let's begin. So first, make sure that your Discord app is up to date. But if it is still unupdated, then go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and update the Discord app. Once you have done that, simply open Discord and then you should go to the server or to the message in which you can see the person that you feel you are blocked. So for example, I will choose this one. So this is my other account, and then this is the account that I'm using right now. Once you press on their message, you may be able to see this reaction button right here. So if you try to react, and then you can still see your reaction right here, that means that you are not blocked. However, so I'll try to block one. I'll try to block this account. So once I block um my account that I am using. So I'll press and hold on their message and try to react. And then as you can see, the reaction button will be gone. So as you can see right there, so you may try another reaction. Then it will show up for a few seconds and then it will gone. So that's it. So I'll try to unblock again my account, try to react, and then as you can see, it will stay right there. So that's it. That's how you can tell if someone blocked you on Discord.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.